Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our guide on replacing the keyboard of the Dell Inspiron 5406. To start, gather the following tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a clean cloth for dust removal. First, ensure your laptop is powered off and unplugged. Begin by turning the laptop over and removing the battery. Locate the screws securing the back panel and remove them with your Phillips screwdriver. Carefully lift the back panel off using your spudger. This will expose the internal components. Next, locate the keyboard connector. It's typically found near the top of the motherboard. Gently disconnect it by lifting the connector latch. If you're unsure about any step, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, which can help clarify any doubts you might have. Once the connector is detached, flip the laptop back over and open the lid. Using your spudger, carefully pry up the keyboard from the edges. There might be clips holding it in place, so take your time to avoid breaking them. If you encounter resistance, check for any remaining screws that might be holding the keyboard down. After removing the keyboard, take a moment to clean the area. Use a soft cloth to wipe away any dust or debris inside the laptop. This ensures a clean environment for the new keyboard. If you don't have the tools or the time for this task, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about logistics. Now, take your new keyboard and align it with the connectors. Press down gently until you hear a click, indicating it's securely in place. Reconnect the keyboard connector on the motherboard, ensuring it is firmly seated. If you prefer not to handle this yourself, we can provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. Once the keyboard is back in place, reattach the back panel and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Finally, insert the battery back into the laptop. Power on your device to test the new keyboard. Make sure all keys are functioning correctly. If there are any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. Remember, with our service, there are no calls, no travel, just convenient solutions for your laptop needs. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.